Marriage to a U.S. citizen has long been seen as one of the safest and most straightforward paths to permanent residency in America. But a new clarification from U.S. immigration authorities is sending shockwaves through immigrant communities, revealing that even those who are legally married to an American and actively applying for a green card could still face deportation. The Department of Homeland Security has made it clear filing a marriage-based green card petition does not grant lawful status, nor does it shield you from removal proceedings. This applies even if your petition is still under review. The updated guidance affects not only undocumented immigrants, but also those who once had legal status, such as student visa holders who overstayed, or temporary protected status recipients whose protections have expired. In the past, many immigrants assumed that simply applying for a green card, especially through a U.S. citizen spouse, offered a kind of unofficial safeguard against deportation. Immigration lawyers often reassured clients that the pending petition would keep them safe while the process played out. But under the current approach, that assumption has been dismantled. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, IC, now has a green light to initiate removal proceedings even while the application is pending. The shift comes during the largest immigration backlog in U.S. history. With over 11 million pending cases and nearly 3 million of them tied to family-based petitions, authorities say the move is aimed at tackling fraud and expediting enforcement. However, immigrant advocacy groups see a different story. They argue that the policy risks tearing families apart, eroding trust in legal immigration pathways, and punishing those who are following the rules. For families, the stakes are life-changing. A spouse facing deportation while their green card application is in process may be forced to leave the U.S. for years, sometimes permanently. For mixed-status households, this could mean children growing up without one parent and financial stability being shattered overnight. Legal experts warn that applicants must now be more careful than ever, ensuring your paperwork is complete, avoiding even minor immigration violations, and staying in close contact with an immigration attorney can be the difference between approval and deportation. Advocates also stress the importance of knowing your rights if approached by ICE, including the right to remain silent, to refuse consent to enter your home without a warrant, and to request legal representation before answering questions. This new clarification is more than a procedural change. It's a reminder that in the current immigration climate, no one's status is safe until their green card is approved and in hand. For couples navigating the system, vigilance, legal support, and informed action have never been more critical.